Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. F of x equals to x square negative 8x positive 12. The function f is shown above. In the xy plane, what are the coordinates of the vertex of the parabola defined by g of x equals to f of x negative 3? Okay, here we have a quadratic function f of x, and this function is given in standard form, that is ax square positive bx positive c. And there is another function defined by g of x in terms of the function f. Okay, according to the question, we have to find the coordinates of the vertex of the parabola defined by g of x. That is, for the function g of x, we have to find the x coordinate and y coordinate of the vertex. Okay, since the g of x has been defined in terms of the function f, first we have to get the coordinates of the vertex of the function f of x. Once we get the coordinates of the vertex of the function f of x, from that we'll be able to get the coordinates of the vertex of the function g of x. Okay, now let me write the given function f of x as it is. That is f of x equals to x square negative 8x positive 12. Okay, as I said earlier, this function is in standard form, that is ax square positive bx positive c. Okay, here to get the x coordinate of the vertex of a quadratic function, the formula is x equals to negative b over 2a. So this formula can be used to get x coordinate of the vertex when the quadratic function is given in standard form, that is in this form ax square positive bx positive c. Okay, then we get x equals to negative b is the coefficient of x. In the given quadratic function, the coefficient of x is negative 8. We can plug in this negative 8 for b over here. Then we get 2 times the value of a. A is the coefficient of x square. In the given quadratic function, the coefficient of x square is just 1. So that is 2 times 1. Then we get negative times 9 will become positive, 8 divided by 2. Then we get x equals to 4. Okay, now I got the x coordinate, the vertex of the function f of x. Now to get the y coordinate, what I have to do is I have to plug in x equals to 4 into the function f of x over here. Then I'm getting f of 4 equals to, so here for this x square, we can plug in 4, there is 4 square, negative 8 times 4, positive 12. Then we get 4 square is 16, 8 times 4 is 32, positive 12. Okay, here when I combine 16 and negative 32, I'm getting negative 16, positive 12. Finally, I'm getting negative 4. Okay, when x equals to 4, the value of y is negative 4. So that is a vertex of the function f is 4 comma negative 4. That is the x coordinate is 4, the y coordinate is negative 4. Okay, now from the vertex of the function f, we have to get the vertex of the function g, that is the coordinates of the vertex. Okay, for that we have to consider the function we have over here, g of x equals to f of x negative 3. That is, g of x has been defined in terms of the function f. Okay, when I look at the stuff over here, it's very clear some transformation has been done in the function f of x to get this one f of x negative 3, that is equal to g of x. What transformation has been done in this function f of x to get this one? So here 3 is subtracted from x. So this clearly shows an horizontal translation of 3 units to the right. Because whenever a value is subtracted from x, it's an horizontal translation to the right. Since we have 3 over here, so this is an horizontal translation of 3 units to the right in the function f of x. So to get the x coordinate of the function g of x, what we have to do is we have to consider the horizontal translation of 3 units to the right in the function f of x. Horizontal translation means it will be applicable only in the x coordinate, not in the y coordinate. Okay, now let's get the vertex of the function g. Okay, here now we have to do horizontal translation of 3 units to the right in the vertex of the function f, particularly the x coordinate. So 3 units to the right means like we have to add 3 to the x coordinate over here. So when I add 3 to this x coordinate, I have 4 positive 3 7. No change in the y coordinate. We have to write this y coordinate as it is. Okay, now I got the coordinates of the function g of x. They are 7 and negative 4. We find this stuff exactly in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.